Hi guys, welcome to my channel How to Live. This is Abhi. Today we are going to discuss how to install a WordPress plugin and a WordPress theme on a newly installed WordPress installation. I'm running the WordPress installation on my local host, which is my own computer. If you want to learn how to do that, then please visit the previous video. You can click on the link in the description or within the pinned comments to go to this video. Today I'm going to install one theme and one plugin with you, so you know how to install both of these easily. The process is the same if you want to install more and more plugins and themes to your site. So this small demo should be very useful for people who want to learn how to install WordPress plugin and themes. I'm also quickly going to share a list now where I will share 8 essential plugins and 3 essential WordPress themes that all the beginners for WordPress must try. If you want to know about the full functionality and why I recommend these plugins and themes, you can click on the link where you will find another video explaining this in detail. So let's begin. So let's start with the installation. I've already logged into the dashboard page in my WordPress site. Next, we will click on this plugins tab here and press add new. I'm going to install the all-in-one SEO plugin, which is also on my highly recommended plugins list. So I have to search for the plugin here in the keyword section, and once I find the plugin, I can press on this install now button. It's important that while the plugin is installing, you don't click on any other links here, otherwise the plugin can break your site functionality and you will get an error when you go to the home page on your site. So it's important to wait out the full duration when the plugin is being installed. And same goes for themes as well. We will be installing a theme later, so remember to wait out the full installation when you install a plugin or a theme. Now go back to the plugins page, and what I'll do is I'll activate Akismet and all-in-one SEO together. Akismet is always pre-installed in WordPress installations, so you don't need to install it separately. There was a Hello Dolly plugin as well, which I deleted from here, and now I will activate both these plugins. Press on activate and press apply. This activates both our plugins and we get 2 new tabs below. One is the tab for the all-in-one SEO below the settings tab. Here we can configure all the settings for this plugin. I'm not going to do that because it's out of scope for this tutorial. And then if we press on settings, we see the other tab, which is Akismet anti-spam. I'll click on this, and here again, if I click on this set up your Akismet account, it will take me to another page where I get an API key, and then I will enter the API key here. So this plugin will start working. Next, we will install a theme. So once I'll go back to the dashboard view once again, and then press on appearance. Appearance section is where you get to install the new themes. I'll press on add new, and Astra theme, 2020 theme, and Ocean WordPress theme. These themes are 3 themes that I highly recommend, and I'll show you how to install the Astra theme now. In this case, the theme is already on the home page, so I don't need to search. I'll press on install now. If you want to install a theme which is not here, you can always search it in the search themes button and then locate that theme and press on the install button. So again, I'm installing this theme and I'm going to wait out the full duration till this theme is getting installed. And once the theme is installed, I can activate it right from here. I can also see a live preview for this theme on my site. So the best way I'll recommend is go to the appearance section again and then press activate. This will activate the theme for your site, and when you activate a theme, usually you will get another tab for this theme as well. Like now I activated the Astra theme, I get this tab called Astra Options. Here I can start customizing my theme. I can fix the background colors, the foreground colors, the text colors, the header, logo, etc., and the footer, etc. So it's very easy to customize this theme. So customizing this theme again is out of the scope for this tutorial. So here is a list of 8 plugins and 3 themes that I highly recommend. If you want to learn why I recommend these plugins, what are the strong points for these plugins and themes, please visit the link for the video in the description of this video or in the pinned comments. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I hope you liked it. If you got some value out of this video, please don't forget to share and like this video. Liking this video ensures that more users like you can watch this video, and subscribing to this channel will give you notifications for my future videos as well. Thanks and bye.